What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this GMC Acadia remote key fob. This GMC Acadia key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our screwdriver and then we grab our key fob, and we take a look down here near the key ring, off to the one side, there's this little notch right here that I'm touching at the end of the screwdriver. And if your key fob's worn, that notch may be a little bit difficult to see, but it is there. So what I'm gonna do is take my screwdriver, put it in that notch like that, and then just pry the case apart. Once we pull it the rest of the way apart, in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. Snap it into that little holder, and then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.